Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you guys how to add photos to Tinder library. So first, open the Tinder app and go to your profile by tapping on the bottom right corner of the screen. Then tap on edit profile or a pencil icon right here. Here, scroll to the media section and tap the plus icon. Then tap on upload from library. Choose photos from your gallery or take new ones. Then rearrange or delete old photos and update your profile. Keeping your profile updated with new photos will make your profile stand out. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and comment down below if there is anything else I can help you guys with. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys next time.